Today, we're tackling something many of you might be wondering about: how to delete your Telegram account directly from your phone. There's a bit of a twist. While you can't completely delete your account within the app itself, we need to start the process and finalize it through a web browser. Let's jump in. Head over to the Telegram account deletion page. You can search for Telegram Deactivate Account to find it. In the web browser, enter the phone number associated with your Telegram account. Now, enter the confirmation code you just received in the Telegram app on your phone. Once entered, click on the button labeled Delete My Account or similar wording. On the next page, you can say, "Why are deleting Telegram account?" Just skip that step and click on Delete My Account. That's it. Your Telegram account will now be permanently deleted. Remember, this is a permanent action, so make sure you really want to do it before proceeding. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.